Obsidian has over 2,000 plugins. Not one of them lets you grab a bullet point and drag it. Google Keep figured this out in 2013, so I spent a weekend fixing it, and Live Preview tried its very best to end me. Here's the idea: put a drag handle on every list item. Grab something, move it, drop. Pretty much every Kanban tool already does this. I kept reaching for it in my Markdown notes, so I built it in. The first step was some standard plugin setup. I'll fast forward through it. Clone the Obsidian sample plugin boilerplate, rename everything, rip out the demo code, and add an enable-disable setting. Symlink the dev folder into a test faults plugins directory, and now every save updates the code. Now, run npm run dev, flip the toggle, and we're live. Now we've got the basic setup, I had my first problem. How do I know where the list items are in the DOM? Obsidian renders Markdown into HTML, so I hooked into that post processor and stamped a data attribute on every list element so I can tell tasks apart from ordered and bullet list items. Second problem. Knowing where the items live isn't enough on its own. I also need the groupings. So I wrote a parser that walks the indentation and bundles items into groups. I threw a temporary debug overlay on top so I could see what was being detected. Now, onto the satisfying bit. Got the drag handles, the interactions, and that little drop line in, and Rating View worked basically first try. Then I gave Live Preview a go. Different planet. Same base Markdown obviously, but a totally different render path. None of my code worked. The flat lists were fine, the nested ones were rough, task lists were worse. So I spent another evening on it. Got the handle setting right for nested task lists, hit the collapse chevron, which was overlapping my handle, and put collapse on right click instead. No lost functionality though. I've added a hint in settings so people can actually find it. Also, move that handle to the start of the text, instead of the start of the line, which felt more natural to me. And finally, hovering a child item now reveals the parent handles too, so you always know what you're grabbing. Then it came to the first release. Not too hard. Tag the commit, drafted a release on GitHub with the build files attached, and that's the plugin, out in the world. If you want to try it before it lands in community plugins, you can install it manually. Steps are on the screen. Download the main.js, manifest.json, and styles.css from the releases page, make a new folder inside your plugins directory, drop the 3 files in, restart Obsidian, and enable the plugin under community plugins in the settings. So that's where I'm at. Took a weekend, lost an evening to Live Preview, and now I get to grab any list item in any of my notes and move it. I'd say it's worth it. If you end up using it, the bugs you find are the bugs I haven't hit yet, so drop them on the GitHub issues page, and I'll work through them. Same with feature requests, especially anything around drag behavior, since I know there's more to do there. The next devlog drops once the plugin clears community plugin review. I'll be walking through the final feature set, as well as the process of and time taken getting the plugin included officially. Source link is in the description. Subscribe if you want part 2 in your feed, instead of the algorithm losing me to history. That's all I have for today, so have a great day, and see you in the next one.